Hi everyone, my name is Chloe. So today's journey is to explore the botanical garden in Melbourne City. So before we dive into the natural world, I want to acknowledge the land of traditional owner and the ancestor spirit. I pay my respect to their elders, both past and present. Slowly walk into the garden. The greenery made me feel relaxed and calm. It had just rained, so the air was still filled with the smell of soil. I think of Anne Polo's article. This is what I want for children, a central, emotional, and conscious connection to place. The sure, sweet knowledge of earth, air, sky. An ecological identity allows us to experience the earth as our home ground, and leaves us determined to live in an honorable relationship with our planet. I moved on with childlike joy when I saw different plants color from dark green to light green, and even to brownish yellow of fallen leaves. This is the language of science, which is nature telling us the changing of seasons. It reminds me of my hometown. When winter comes, the city is white with snow, and the vegetation enters a dormant period. When spring comes, everything revives and appears green and full of vitality. This is agency for vegetation growth. I have never observed the shape of leaves in such detail. Round, needle, hand-shaped, and even heart-shaped. I found myself drawn to the way the tree roots extended. Look at this tree. It has thick branches, and its roots spread underground in all directions. They kind of look like dinosaur claws, designed to soak up all nutrition and water they need. It shows the agency of the tree here. It gets to choose where to reach out. It takes me back to when I was a child, always curious about tree age. My mom once told me that you can tell by counting its growth rings. As you can see from here, the trunk's cross-section with all those rings, each one representing a year of the tree's life. There is 1, 2, 3, and countless circles. And thanks to Hornom's explanation of STEM learning, they are natural-born scientists investigating, questioning, exploring, and experimenting. As they explore, they often confront with simple scientific and mathematical concepts, such as learning about gravity, force and motion, quantity, number, weight, space, and time through play. I picked up some branches that fall on grass and swung them randomly. 3, 2, 1. I start number counting. According to Shannon paper, which shows a mathematical play involves many categories, and number is the most common discussed. Number skills including counting sequence, both forward and backward, using numbers to name and classify objects, counting as timing and qualification, were all evident in toddlers' outdoor play experiments. When I play with rocks, I naturally stack them like building blocks. It's a creative game. Even if some don't fall, I keep searching for flatter ones as a base, just like when I was children, trying over and over again. The theory of losing parts says, loose part creates rich environments for children, allowing them to do what they need to do, to follow their interest and go where their curiosity takes them. Environments full of loose parts lend themselves to blurry of distinction between learning and playing, allowing children to experiment, enjoy and find things out for themselves. Using a nature park for early childhood education creates an engaging environment that promotes curiosity, exploration, and holistic development. It includes multisensory learning, which enhances cognitive development. Observation and inquiry encourage children to observe nature and ask open-ended questions. Last, culture and environmental awareness promotes sustainability discussions in the future. Thank you for listening.